this video, I'll show you how to create an AI video with HeyGen. First, open your web browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign into your account, or create one if you don't already have it. Now, from the dashboard, click Create Video to start a new project. Choose a blank project or select one of the available templates if you want a faster starting point. Next, choose an AI avatar from the library or upload your own avatar if your account supports that feature. Then, type or paste the script you want the avatar to speak into the script editor. After that, select a voice and language for your video. You can also adjust the voice settings, speaking speed, and pronunciation if those options are available. Customize the background, add text, images, or other media, and arrange the elements on your video canvas. Now, review your project to make sure everything looks the way you want. When you're ready, click Generate to let HeyGen create your AI video. The processing time will depend on the length of your video. Finally, once the video is ready, preview it to check the results. If you're satisfied, click Download or Export to save the video or share it using the available options. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an AI video with HeyGen. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.